Welcome back once again, students. I hope everything is fine. Now, today's lesson is on literacy, and that is conjunction. 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 One may ask, what is a conjunction? What is a conjunction or conjunctions? Now, it is a word or words which is used or are used to join words or sentences together. There could be one word that is used to join sentences or words together. Let's look at examples. Tom has failed, but Peter has passed. Tom has failed, but Peter has passed. Work hard or you will fail. 5 and 5 make 10. John and I went for a walk. Now, when you look at these sentences carefully, you come across a particular word that have been highlighted or boldened. Now, these are the kind of conjunctions that I'm talking about. But it's a word that is used to fuse words or sentences together. Now we have, if you want to break them down, we have Tom has failed. Then you can get Peter has passed. Over here, we are using the conjunction but to fuse both sentences together. Now, number 2 says, work hard or you will fail. Over here, we can have work hard and then we have you will fail. We are using or, which is the conjunction, to join both sentences together. Then we have 5 and 5 make 10. John and I went for a walk. So these are making it very clear based on the definition we gave. The use of conjunction. Let's look at the use of conjunction. The commonest conjunctions are and, but, and, or. And, but, and, or. Now let's look at these examples. He sells mangoes and oranges. He sells mangoes and oranges. So over here you can come across two varieties of fruits. Fruits and vegetables are good for health. Fruits and vegetables are good for health. So we are using and to fuse between fruits and vegetables. It is a cold and windy day. So checking the weather condition, you realize that it is cold and we have winds alongside. So it is a cold and windy day. But is used to link words that have different or contrasting meanings. But is used. The conjunction but is used to link words or to connect words that have different or contrasting meanings. He is poor but honest. He is poor but honest. The girl is clever, but the boy is dull. The girl is clever, but the boy is dull. The weather today is sunny but cold. Even though the sun is high up, we can still experience coldness. So the weather today is sunny but cold. Conjunction or is used to show a choice. Or is a conjunction which is used to show a choice. Work hard or you will fail. Work hard or you will fail. So over here, you can decide to work hard, or if you don't do that, then it means you are choosing or deciding to fail. Do we now turn left or right? It means we are supposed to choose between two options. Do we now turn left or right? He didn't know whether to laugh or cry. He didn't know whether to laugh or cry. So we have two situations here. And, but, and, or can link groups of words called phrases as well as single words. So Conjunctions and, but, and, or can connect group of words called phrases as well as single words. My father has two cars, a big car and a small one. So I said my father has two cars. Then I went further to prompt you that one is bigger and the other one is smaller. Umar can bowl very fast, but for a short period. Bowl is a kind of American game. So we're saying that Umar can bowl very fast, but for a short period. Do you want a big piece of chocolate ice cream or a large piece cake? Do you want a big piece of chocolate ice cream or a large piece cake? Conjunctions are also used to join two sentences together. They are also used to join two sentences together. So we realize that conjunctions has a lot of interesting uses. He is clever. He is idle. He is clever but idle. Father is cleaning the car. Mother is baking a cake. Father is cleaning the car and mother is baking a cake. Hurry up. You will miss the first scene of the movie. Hurry up or you will miss the first scene of the movie. This is interesting. Some conjunctions are used to show when something happens, and these are called conjunctions of time. They are mostly used to show when something happens. And this type of conjunctions are called conjunctions of time. Let's look at the examples. You must look both ways before you cross the road. You must look both ways before you cross the road. He started eating as soon as he came home. He started eating as soon as he came home. I always brush my teeth after I have eaten my dinner. I always brush my teeth after I have eaten my dinner. Do not go until I come back. Do not go until I come back. Check your belongings when you leave the cinema hall. Check your belongings when you leave the cinema hall. You have become so thin since I last saw you. So over here, we still come across bolding or highlighted words, and these words are all conjunctions. They are all conjunctions. Because, since, as, therefore, so are conjunctions of reason. They are conjunctions of reason. Why are we saying this? They give a reason for why something happens, or why somebody does something, or why a suggestion is made. Hence, they are known as conjunctions of reason. It is raining, so I cannot go to school. Conjunctions of reason. The reason is I cannot go to school. Why? Because it is raining. Since it is raining, I cannot go to school. It is raining, therefore I cannot go to school. As it is raining, I cannot go to school. So you can see how this type of conjunctions are used, and that is why they are used for a reason. So they are called conjunctions of reason. So let's look at this try exercise. As we home, you can try your hands on these based on the wisdom we have captured. Join the sentences with conjunctions of time and reason. Number one, you cannot leave. There's a gap there. I tell you to do so. So over here, you are supposed to join the sentence with conjunctions of time and reason. So it depends on the question posed. If it demands that you put conjunctions of time there, you fix it there. Conjunctions of reason, you put them there. And all these answers you can refer from the notes you have just been giving. And I believe that it will guide you. Number two, he has become old. I saw him 2 years ago. Three, he started quarreling with his friends that he met there. I slept immediately that I was tired. The continuation is, it is a lovely night that there is a full moon. Number six, that it was late, we decided to take rest. Then the last but not the least, they rested that they resumed their journey. So on this note, students, I believe you can easily manipulate these questions. I've told you already that with reference, look at the discussions we have had and the notes you have been given. It will guide you. It will show you how and the kind of conjunction of time and the conjunction of reason that you need to fill the gaps here. So till I come your way again, draw the curtain to a close, and it's bye bye.